what's up? My name is Snehal and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today, after a long time, I have created this makeup look right here. Yes, this is a one brand makeup tutorial in which you will be seeing all the products of Sugar which I am using, which are one of my favorite products, and I'll tell you what is the best product you should go and buy. So for this makeup look and for more information about the products, please continue watching this video. At first I'm using Aquaholic Priming Moisturizer as a primer because it has both the qualities of moisturizer and primer, but it is not so strong in priming your face, but it will do a fair job. For foundation, I am taking Power Clay BB Cushion, and this is the best cushion foundation ever. This gives me that natural look. It stays for a really long time, and see the coverage and see how bright it became. So whoever is finding the color corrector, just go to Sugar. So this is their Face Forward Contour Stick in the shade 01 Peach President. All you have to do is just take a little amount on your finger and dab it on the affected areas, and you can see the difference. It just magically conceals everything. And after you applied it everywhere, just blend it nicely. To cancel out the darkness, people apply the orange color corrector, but it is very difficult if you don't blend it properly to hide by concealer or by foundation. So this one is the best. It's already light and it just blends in your skin, as you can see here. So for concealer, I am taking Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in the shade 45 Con Panna. I think this concealer is going to be my second favorite of all. This is the first time I'm using this concealer. I especially bought it for this video. And you can see this is creamy and the coverage is excellent. It has definitely covered all of my dark circles and my blemishes. So a big yay for this concealer. Powder Clay Banana Compact. Whatever the extra discoloration is remaining, which will be covered by this yellow tone banana powder. That's why I ordered this one. And you can see the clear difference. This side is so much like airbrushed effect, and this side is still, you can see the discoloration, but here it's polished. So next step is contouring. For that I'm taking Face Forward Contour Stick, one of the best contour stick I have ever seen in Indian brands. So I highly recommend you to go and check out this one. Now this range has two contours. One is a little light and one is the dark. The second shade is called Espresso Edge, which is slightly darker and for deeper skin tones, but it also does a great job. This is the first shade, which is this. I think I'm going to go with the darker shade. As you can see, these are very easy to blend, but you just have to work your way through how much coverage you want out of it. The more you blend, the more seamless it becomes. And then just whatever is left, drag on and make a line so that you are cutting your face. Just shadow it, and as you can see, it is beautifully blended. For blush, I'm taking Contour D-Force Mini Blush in the shade 04 Salmon Superstar. Now you can see the blush blended in so beautifully. Now it's just like a part of my skin, part of my makeup look. Everything just came together. Let's move towards the eye look, for which I'm not using any eyeshadow palette today, but I'm using a lipstick and a highlighter, and I'll show you how. From Plush Crush Cream Crayons from Sugar in the shade 07 Caramel Crush. Then I'm going to pack it on my crease line. And then blend it all over your eyelid. And as you want the consistency, you can always increase it. For the highlighter shade, I'm taking this 01 Gold Goals in the jelly highlighter form, and I'm going to just pack it on the inner lid. You can keep on increasing the consistency until and unless you're happy with the shine. Let's also take it in the inner corner. Ooh. Taking the same highlighter shade on my brow bone. Let's take that lipstick and apply on my under eye. Ooh, these lipsticks are something, huh? And now just smudging the lipstick. Eyeliner that is 01 I'll be black. अगर आपको perfect eyeliner बनाना नहीं आता, please I recommend you this liner because just see the tip of it. Drawing a line and then joining it. It's the best eyeliner. Literally, like you can see the result. Like you can just see. For mascara, I'm taking something extremely cute. I think this is the mini version of it. Uptown Curls Lengthening Mascara in the shade 01 Black Beauty. And dear, it's amazing. Now this mascara has small particles in it so that it just binds with. For highlighter, I am taking Face Forward Stick Highlighter in the shade 01 Champion and this is also the best highlighter. It blends in your skin like a dream. For lipstick, I am going to take a Plush Crush Cream Crayon 01 Bourbon Brie. It is a nude shade for my skin tone. And at the end, just for the cherry on the top, a Sugar Time to Shine lip gloss in the shade 10 Princess Aurora. This will definitely give the added shine to my lips. That's it for today's video, guys. I will see you in my next video, which can be a comedy sketch. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and also clicking the bell icon right beside. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give a big fat thumbs up. And if this video was helpful, you like this makeup look, don't forget to mention in the comment below. With that, I'll take your leave. Bye.